How to change password on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily change your Facebook's password. First off, go ahead and open up Facebook application. Now just make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you can head over to the menu icon at the top right, and then find the gear icon right beside search. Once you tap on it, you'll get to settings and privacy. Now you want to head over to Account Center. So go ahead and tap on See More in Account Center. Doing so will lead you to your Account Center where you can change your password. Go ahead and tap on Password and Security. And then you'll have an option to change password right on top. Tap on the arrow icon. And then from here, select your Facebook. Again, tap the arrow right beside your Facebook account. Now, first thing you have to do is enter your current password on this field. Then you have to enter a new password, and then you can retype your new password down below. And once you have done all of that, you'll find the change password button down below at the bottom, and you can also log out of other devices if someone else has your account logged in. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.